This is our new Wi-Fi Smart Thermostatic Radiator valve, which is designed with rotation feature for simple temperature adjusting. Its connection is M30*1.5 and with 6 different adapters packed. Press the battery compartment lock, remove the cover and insert the batteries.
Charged by 3*1.5V alkaline AA batteries for long-time power supply.
Initialize, the mandrel pulls back, then the icon is displayed and blinking on the screen. When the icon stops blinking, install the TRV union nut with M30*1.5 thread for heating valve, and then tighten the nut. Press the middle button and then the icon starts blinking. The device enter valve adjusting process. After several minutes, the process is completed when initialized screen is displayed. Now you can control your house temperature via smartphones or manually on the controller. It is designed with manual and auto mode for intelligent temperature control, or you can directly set the device into on OFF mode. Enter the week program setting page to set 4 time periods for each day for flexible timer control. Enable the child lock and app or manual set on the device to prevent misoperations by kids. Set the temperature ceiling and lower limit of temperature for more comfortable temperature enjoyment.
Check the data log and app to monitor timely house temp as well as valve open degree.
Long press the set button for 3s to switch the screen display direction for easier reading.
Compatible with Alexa and Google Home for simple voice control.
Okay.
Alexa, make the thermostat warmer.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the thermostat children lock.
Okay.